There's a whole bunch of reasons to give up. The world is different. People are different. Just way of life, cost of living is different. But you can't give up because there's someone or some people depending on you. I was browsing social media and I saw this post that said we have to train our mind not to give up. So every day we have to go and training our minds, our thoughts, not to give up. It's training each day not to give up. And most important of all, you can't give up because not that the universe gave you the life that you have, but God, Yah, the Creator, gave you the life that you have. So if He gave you the life, He'll provide everything for the life and for your life. So you don't give up. You have too much to live for. Don't give up. If you're alive and breathing, that's the hope of not giving up.